Hi, welcome to the Diamond channel. If you're new to me, thank you very much for clicking on this video. I'm Chris Bilton. I was a professional jeweller for over 20 years in the UK, but then I got married. I married a Japanese lady, so now I'm out here in Japan, kind of unemployable as a professional jeweller because I don't really speak Japanese well enough to deal with customers and stuff. So I want to use my skill and keep it going, so I've set up my bench at home and now I'm making jewellery making instructional videos on YouTube, so welcome. Why not click like and subscribe if you're into that. Right, today's a quick video. I want to talk about the fact that YouTube have now given me the option to start a membership, so you could become a member of the Diamond Mat channel. So as I'm already on Patreon, I'm going to try and mirror that as closely as possible. So nothing's going to change on the channel. Like if you don't become a member, totally respect that if you don't want to. It'll just be same as usual, like game on as usual. So, but if you do want to become a member, it's going to be very, very similar to becoming a patron of the channel, basically. There's going to be a join button. You'll probably notice the difference on the actual Diamond Mat page. There's going to be 3 levels of memberships. So we've got supporter, it's going to be like £1 a month. Classic, £5 a month. Then you get access to the new videos 2 weeks early. And then there's the official patrons, or you'll be official member. Yeah, you get exclusive content, exclusive videos. You get ability to contact me and I'll help you out with your private jewellery making jobs, and yeah, obviously all the perks from the previous tiers of membership as well. Also, I'll shout out your name. So all the tiers, I'll shout out your names as well. Like you get mentioned on the channel, just as a small token of my appreciation. Yeah, so nothing's going to change. It's just an extra thing on the channel. Like if you would become a member, that'd be awesome. You help me out. Basically, I kind of call for patrons and now members to the Diamond Mat channel because if I can make money doing this, it helps me do more. Like I can buy new tools and do comparison videos. I can buy new gemstones and show you how to make things with them. Different shaped stones, different sizes. It just goes on and on making jewellery. It's really almost infinite. Like the different designs you can do, different things you can, places you can put them, different angles. There's just loads to teach, and all the different metals, all the different solders, just goes on and on and on. So I'm barely scratching the surface of what I've done over the years. Even after a year and a half of doing these videos, I'm still working too much in silver. I haven't got proper soldering equipment, something I hope to change very, very soon. Yeah, but I need a bit of income to help it all work out. So it's a very cheap way of learning to make jewellery because, especially my level, right, it's unusual. Where I'm a bit of a special case, yeah. Sorry, forgive me, I'm going to waffle on a bit now. Where I'm a bit of a special case, like people like me, trained up to my level, doing my job, I was probably one of the highest earning diamond mounters in the UK. I find it hard to believe anyone was getting paid much more than me because of the store I worked for, like very high-end stuff, and they paid me quite well, so I was very grateful for that. And also the training was amazing, so I had a really good career. Yeah, it's unusual, like someone like me would just stop doing that because, you know, it's only because I got married and now I'm living in Japan and I have this opportunity to make these videos. I'm quite enthusiastic about teaching other people because what I know and what I see online, people are not being taught very well. Like I would almost consider it, you're being treated like an idiot. If you're being shown, if you're paying for a course and you're just being shown how to melt a bit of silver up and drop it in water and then stick a jump ring on it, and you've got this weird blobby shape with a ring on top and being told that's a way to make a pendant, and that's like literally child's play. It's like arts and crafts. Proper diamond mounting is a very specialist skill. Not many people can teach you it at the level I can. So, like I say, and I'm a bit of a special case that I've just stopped doing that professionally, and now I'm in this situation where I'm free to make videos. I enjoy making videos. I'm enthusiastic to teach people. So it's quite good if you become a member because being an official patron or an official member of the Diamond Mat channel, you'll get access to full instructional guides and classics as well. You'll get access to all my full instructional guides, and it's not just that money for one, it's that money for all of them. So as I create more, the value of that is going to increase exponentially. So I think it's good value. It's going to cost you a lot less than paying for other jewelers' online courses, which from what I've seen, they ain't teaching anything like I can teach you. So that's it. Bit of an ego flex, forgive me for that, but I'm just saying what I believe is true based on what I see other people are doing online, other YouTube jewelers. Some of them more entertainment, mine are definitely more educational, and I'm training people up to quite a high level, like higher than your local jewelers easily. So yeah, cool. I hope you become a member. If you decide not to become a member, don't worry, nothing's going to change. I totally respect your decision. But as always, I'll be calling for new patrons, but from now on, I'll now be mentioning the YouTube membership. Yeah, thank you for watching. That's all for today. Have a nice day. See you on the next video. Goodbye.